Have you ever wanted to take control of your business's Office 365 licensing needs with the ability to add or remove licenses as needed? Well, now you can with the Infinite Consulting CSP Manager storefront. Licensing in Office 365 via a cloud service provider agreement provides many advantages, including consolidated billing, initial pricing discounts, and access to more advanced support earlier in the support process. A key challenge for CSP customers has been self-service license management, as Microsoft does not have this functionality natively available. Infinite has worked hard to provide a simple, efficient storefront for CSP customers to allow for quick, easy, and reliable license management. To access the Infinite CSP Manager storefront, browse to http://cspmanager.infinitecloud.com. Once there, click on the Office 365 link to be redirected to the Microsoft login page. Enter your credentials and log in. You will be returned to the previous screen and it will show that it is connecting. After a few moments, you will be taken to the License Management home screen. From the License Management page, you can really start to take control of your business needs by adding or removing Office 365 licenses along with the ability to add additional Office products as needed. Let's start by adding an additional Office 365 license. From the Management page, find the subscription you would like to add a license to and click the plus sign below it. Once the desired quantity of licenses has been added, click the Update button. The Update button will only be available if a subscription quantity has been modified. After clicking Update, you will be asked to confirm your selection. Do so and wait a few moments. Once the new license has been successfully added, the bottom right corner of the page will flash a confirmation note. In addition, an email will be sent to the account that made the changes as well as to the Infinite CSP Management team notifying them of the change. To remove a license, we follow the same process. Just simply select the subscription you would like to remove a license from. Click the minus button and click Update. Once again, you will be asked to confirm the selection. Click Confirm and wait for the subscription change confirmation. Once the confirmation has been received, the Infinite CSP Management team and the account making the changes will once again be notified. Now let's add a new product. From the CSP Management window, locate an empty cell containing the gray and white plus symbol and click on it. After doing so, a list of available products will be presented to you. Select the product that you would like to add and then scroll to the bottom of the pane and click Next. Now add the number of product licenses that will be needed and click Next once again. You will now be asked to confirm your selection. After you have confirmed your selection, you will be taken back to the CSP Manager screen, where you will now be able to add or remove additional licenses from your new subscription as needed. If you should choose at any time to have a product subscription removed, simply email the Infinite Consulting support team at helpdesk@infiniteconsulting.com. Simple and effective, the CSP Manager from Infinite Consulting puts the power of Office 365 back into your hands.